When we're little, we're like little sponges. And if we're told that we can't do anything, that we'll never amount to anything, that we're not good enough, then we literally take that on as beliefs. And then we keep recreating that in our lives. But with Theta healing, we can change that. So even if it's something we've had for 30, 40, 50 years, we can change it really quickly.
I did not think it was possible for this transformation to happen in 3 days. But to be honest, in the first half day, I felt changed.
I just feel like a different person. It's hard to remember actually how I used to be. And again, it's hard to express because, yeah, it's more of like a felt feeling of like, wow, I feel really different.
So I teach the certified Theta healing courses. I teach basic, advanced, and dig deeper. These are the 3 foundational courses, and after these you can go on and take other courses and modules. I also teach manifesting in abundance, soulmate, rhythm, and these courses are not necessarily only for people that want to work as Theta Healing Practitioner. It's for anybody. Anyone who would like to change their lives, anyone who would like to enhance their lives.
The shifts that happen and the changes that happen are instant. There's no sort of waiting for that to happen. You actually feel that release within you very, very quickly, instantly.
Really excited to pass this on to people who would benefit this experience because it really helped me. I really break through certain things that I didn't even know existed so quickly.
Theta healing is a really extraordinary healing modality, and we can use it in so many different ways. The main way we use it is to release negative and limiting beliefs and replace them with positive. And we do this on a very deep subconscious level. So this means that people's lives shift and transform really quickly and really profoundly. Anyone can do these courses, really anyone. And throughout the course you will be practicing, so everything you learn, you'll be practicing with the other participants. So you will come out of these courses feeling very confident, giving sessions, but also having gone through your own personal transformation.
Seems like such a privilege for a person to be able to heal themselves or someone else. I came in thinking, well, it's not possible that I can be a certified Theta healer in 3 days. But working with people in the course and actually seeing results, knowing that I can actually do this.
Erika is just a really grounded person, and at the same time she's like really connected. So she teaches all this out there stuff, but she brings it in such a way that it just becomes really actionable and great, and it just really works.
Every single person on this planet needs to take this course. I wish this was taught in school, I really do. If these kinds of things were taught, the world would be a different place.
So if you ask me who should do these courses, I would say anybody and anyone. Anyone who wants to be happy, anyone that wants to have a fulfilled life, anyone that wants to dream life.